Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to not round up numbers in Google Sheets. So this is very simple. First, let's introduce the problem. So the problem is when I write some numbers and then press enter, it will automatically round my numbers up. So basically, if I don't want my numbers to be rounded, I will have to select the range of my not rounded numbers and then select format, then select number and scroll down until I see custom number format. Here I can see that I have to add zeros right here, so add as many zeros as you need in order to not round up your numbers. Then press apply. Right now, as you can see that these numbers are not rounded up. It is really this simple, so thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.